I'm Andrew Faust. I want to share with you why I am so excited to teach you permaculture design in our upcoming fully online permaculture design certification program. This class is the opus of my life's work. This class is a distillation of everything you need to know to start your green career, start your business enterprise that is about providing the goods, providing the services, providing the real needs for people right where you live, how to do it for yourself at a home scale, how to set up self-sufficient homesteads, fully off-grid energy and water systems, how to set up enterprises that are about teaching the skills that are needed in a world that is so disconnected from nature, how to heal the wounds that we have created, both in ourselves and in the world. Sign up today. You do not want to miss this empowering course with incredible lead teachers from all around the world teaching you personally how to start your new life in an ecological way.